What's up? What's up? No Class Garage here. So if you've seen the last video on the Mercedes, we know that it does run when I put starting fluid in there or brake cleaner or whatever. So I realized I'm not getting gasket out of here, and I'm sure the gas in the tank is pretty old and bad. So I have this little dangerous setup going on. Electric pump to a fuse that turns on with the key into a gas can right next to the exhaust. So this may or may not catch on fire, but always keep in mind, do not do what I do unless you absolutely have to. Let's see if she'll run. I should get fuel to the carb. So, let's see what happens. We'll turn the key on. So check the pump. Yep, I hear it pumping. See if it squirts. Yeah, it's kind of squirting. It might clear up once I get some more fuel going through in there. But we'll give it a little motivation. But I should be getting fuel into the carb. It looks like it's squirting. So that's a good sign. If it's squirting, it means everything's working inside the carb. I haven't taken it apart yet, but let's just see. Ooh. She's idling. Well, I would say that that's my problem, is not getting fuel. This was pretty good for as long as it was sitting. Yeah, so the plan is to drive this out of the garage. I just picked up a motorcycle lift to get my shovel head on the lift. We're gonna put the lift in right here. But, shoo. Definitely seems like she runs good. It's a 73 Mercedes 280C, two-door, which in my experience is pretty rare because I don't think I've ever seen another two-door Mercedes like this. I'm gonna go with probably a satin orange paint job, kind of match the interior. But I mean, it's running. I'm just curious. Let's check the trans. Will it go in gear? Let's see. Oh shit! No brake pedal at all, which is expected. Oh yeah. It just went in reverse and started driving. So trans is working. I have no brakes. So let's just check that real quick. Need some brake fluid probably will help us. Oh yeah, we're empty. So we'll get some brake fluid in here. And come on. Brake fluid in there and just see if I can get a little pedal. Oh yeah, she's bone dry. If I can get a little pedal out of it, it'll definitely get me moving across the yard. So try that real quick. I'm gonna leave her running. I mean, I'm happy with it. Yes. So we got the tires got 15 pounds. I'll fucking take it. It'll roll on that. So I hear it leaking. Gotta probably move kind of quick. I got my mom gonna open the gate so the dogs don't get out. I can fire this car up and drive her out to the front yard. Oh, where'd my keys go? Oh, I bet you I didn't hook the battery up. Of course not. Where the hell's the door handle in this car? Oh, it's over here. Oh, man. Woo, I'm too excited. This car's been sitting for over 30 years at my stepmom's house. So now let's run in, start doing some body work and detail her up, get her clean, and see what, actually assess the situation and see what's going down. But, dude, that is cool as shit. Okay. 1, 2, drive. Can't really see. Yep, that's drive. Well, maybe that's neutral. Maybe that's drive. Is the e-brake on? Is it not acting like it wants to go? My wheels locked up. Yeah, the driver's side front wheel ain't spinning. See if you guys can see it. Yeah, the wheel ain't spinning. Well, we'll drag it out there, whatever. Oh, there we go. It started spinning now. Yeah, 73 Mercedes. Spiders all in here and everything. Oh, man. Oh. Let's see if I can get it to focus. Yeah, temp looks good. Looks like I'm out of gas, of course. I don't see a tack on this thing, but sure is cool. Yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.